How's it going? This is the Emacs Prince. So I have been always using Git locally. That means in my local machine, I visit my repository, just call the library and see my branches, right? And so I do this for every remote machine. I working now in Windows, so I use open a Cwin terminal, connect to the remote server, start a email session there, and doing my development. But this has several disadvantages. I now using several remote machines, so that means many Cwin terminal open. That became a bit cumbersome. Also, the clipboard is not so straight to share the clipboard because the Cwin terminal don't know nothing about your clipboard in your local email session. And in addition, we are, for our own policy, shutting down our remote server every day, several hours. So you lost your email session in the remote server, so you lost your progress. So I decided to use Trump to connect from my local email session to those machines and do my development using Trump. So let's say I go to the remote server and I want to, as before, list the branches. What happened? I realized that it's not working, no Git repository, but actually we have a repository. So we need to debug the problem. Why this failed? So we can see the source code, and we know that this test is not passing. So we get this message, error message. So we need to see what happened with this function. So this function is very simple. It's calling just one convenience function, git command. So we see this function, what it is doing, and this function is a wrapper in call process, right? At the end. So call process, that's the key. Think about it. Call process in one remote machine using Trump. You should know that call process can only be used in the local machine using the local binaries. So you cannot use call process here. You should use process file that is able to use a Trump handler. So this is the only thing to do to fix this problem. Let's see if we are right or not. So process file will be able to call this, that this is just Git, right? In the remote machine. So let's try it. Now I have uploaded this patch function, and we go again to the remote repository, and we try again this thing, and now it's working. So that's all. Remember, if you want to use via Trump your libraries, take care about using the right function that they can use Trump handlers. Otherwise, you will see this problem that locally will work, remotely via Trump they won't work. So thank you very much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like it, please like the video. Give me your comments if you have any question or something. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.